We are about to start an exciting renovation here on Union Street. This kitchen is a little bit old and very dysfunctional. The working triangle is incredibly poor. We are going to turn this corner into the laundry room. In this area here will be the living room with a TV on this wall and artwork over here. The master suite, the bedroom will go here. We will end up with a walk-in closet and a 4-piece bathroom. We have to put a beam in the floor in 2 spots. We have to put 3 beams in the ceiling with 4 major contact points down to the bearing points in the basement. There's a lot of structural work to do here, and thank you to Witzel Dice for doing the engineering. And the kitchen will be at the back of the house in the center. It's going to be glorious. I can hardly wait.